Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Austin there, and I'm gonna tell you quiz users. I want you quiz users to delete these quizzes about the angel or devil quiz. That's not nice to be devils, because devils are killers. We want to be angels. If we let people to be devils, that's not nice. So I want you quiz users to delete these quizzes, because that's not nice if we be devils. I want you guys to be angels. I want everybody to be angels. That's all that I want to say. I just want you quiz users to delete these quizzes about the angel or a devil quiz, because that's not nice to be devils. I want you guys to be angels, not devils. I want you guys to be cute angels, not devils, because devils are evil and they're killers. I want you guys to be angels. I'm not taking this quiz again. I already took this quiz yesterday and I'm an angel. So guys, quiz users, delete these quizzes right now, because that's not nice to be devils. I want you all people to be angels, not devils. And look, and there's only one. So quiz users, I want you to delete this quiz too, because I don't want all of you people to be devils. I don't want you people to be devils. I want you all people to be cute angels, not devils, because devils are killers and they're evil. So I don't want you people to be devils. I don't want people to be devils. I want all of you people to be angels. That's all I want to say. I am not taking this quiz. So I want you quiz users to delete these devil quizzes, because I don't want you people to be devils. I don't want all of you people to be devils. I want all of you people to be angels, not devils. I am not taking this quiz again. I took the angel or devil quiz yesterday, and I'm an angel. So guys, and I think yeah, that's all I want to say. I want you quiz users to delete these quizzes, the devil or an angel quiz, because I don't want all of you people to be devils. I want all of you people to be angels, because we're lovers, not haters. I want all of you people to be angels, not devils. So I want you quiz users to delete these quizzes, these devil quizzes, these devil and angel quizzes too. And I also want you to delete the evil or nice quiz, because that's not nice to let people be evil. Yeah, that's not nice if we call people evil. So don't call people evil, because that's not nice to call people evil. So quiz users, I want you quiz users to also delete this quiz too. That's all I want to say. I just want you quiz users to delete these devil or an angel quizzes and devil quiz and are you evil or nice quiz. And so does this quiz too. Are you evil or... Yeah, so I don't want you people to be devils. I want all of you people to be cute angels, not devils. Because I don't want people to be evil. I want all of you people to be angels. That's all I want to say. Okay, so that's all I want to say. So I want you quiz users to delete these devil and angel quizzes. And I also want you quiz users to delete the Are You Evil or Nice quiz. I want you people to delete the Evil or Nice quiz, and I want you people to delete, and I want you quiz users to delete Are You Evil quiz, and I also want you quiz users to delete Are You Nice or Evil quiz. So I want you to delete that quiz too. And I want you quiz users to also delete the Are You a Devil or an Angel quiz. And I also want you quiz users to delete Are You a Devil quiz. That's all I want to say. So I want you users to delete the Are You Evil quiz, Are You Evil or Nice quiz, Are You a Devil or an Angel quiz, and Are You a Devil quiz. Because I don't want all the people to be evil. I want all the people to be nice. And I want all the people to be cute angels. Not devils, because devils are evil. And devils are also killers. So that's not nice to call people devils. Don't call people devils. That's all I want to say. So I want you quiz users to delete the Are You Evil or Nice quiz, Are You Evil quiz, Are You an Angel or a Devil quiz, and Are You a Devil quiz. That's all I want to say. So I want you quiz users to delete these evil quizzes. Okay? That's all I want to say. So I don't want all the people to be evil and devils. I want all the people to be cute angels, not devils. That's not nice to call people devils. So don't call people devils, because that's not nice. And don't call people evil. So I want you quiz users to delete these quizzes. That's all I want to say. So goodbye and have a good summer.